So guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will be talking about how you can actually build a website for your business, for your e-commerce, for your clients and whatnot. Like there could be any possible way that you could make a website for using actually hosting a website builder. Yes guys, in today's video we'll be talking in detail about why hosting a website builder is right now one of the best AI website builder available in the market. And when I say AI, that does not mean it's just another AI tool that's a wrapper and that does not work very well in person. In reality, Hostinger's website builder actually helps you build any possible type of website, whether it's print on demand, whether it's an e-commerce site, it's a digital selling service site, or maybe it's your blog, or maybe your business website where you want to have more tools that assist you to make your entire process of adding up heat maps, adding up your blogs, doing marketing for your website with a couple of integrations with other plugins and stuff. Everything with all those features, Hostinger's website builders comes to place, and they provide you everything in detail at one place with very good pricing. So let's get started with today's videos guys, wherein I'll be showing you how you can build your own website in 10 minutes using Hostinger. So first things first is you have to click the link in my description box down below, and you will find that in my comment section. There's a special coupon code also attached, so don't forget to check out that as well in the description. When you go to the link in the description, you will land up on here where you see bring your websites online, and you have to just click on view plans, right? They offer you 30 days money back guarantee, anytime cancellation. So if you're not satisfied, you can always contact their support and get your things fixed. They have a 24/7 customer support. So there are mostly there are two plans, right? There is a premium website builder and there's a business website builder. I would highly recommend you to go with the business website builder, because in premium you only get to create one website, which is just so low. So suppose if you're an agency or just want to get started out, give your websites to a couple of people, sell it to your clients, then this plan would create problems. I would highly suggest you to go with business website builder. And not just that, make sure to get at least 48 months of subscription, because when you get 48 months of subscriptions, you get 3 months free. That's the first advantage. You also get a domain name for free. Yes guys, your own business domain name for free, and along with that a couple of more features which we'll be discussing later in this video. So you just have to click on choose plan. When you click on choose plan, you will be redirected towards the checkout page, wherein you just have to register a domain name. And if you want to register it right away, you can do it right now, but if you don't want to register, you can do it later. And the reason for telling the reason I was telling to buy minimum 48 months is because of the pricing guys. Check out the pricing for 48 months, $169 only, right? You get daily backups for free, 3 months extra, a domain name and a domain name privacy protection as well. All these features for free, wherein let's suppose if you get it for 1 month, you get for almost $22. That's very expensive. Wherein even if you get for 12 months, that's also not the best value for money deal, because in that ways you would end up paying more than $250 for 48 months. So it's best to get 48 months, because in 48 months you get a deal for $170 only. And you have to come and make sure, don't forget to apply my coupon code, which is Kushal10. As soon as you apply the promo code Kushal10, now the pricing is $152 only. That makes it super competitive, and not just competitive, it makes the biggest saving in general. You just have to click continue. We may register a domain later on. We just have to register with the given email ID. So I'll just register. Then you have to enter basic billing details. When you click continue, you will be asked for what type of payment gateway you want. As you guys can see, I am actually buying a subscription, so that you guys also know that I also personally use, and I'll be using this as you guys can see, the payment is done. Now I'll just click get started, and I will be redirected to the AI website builder thing. So let's see how that looks. So firstly, either I can create what I want, or I can just use a pre-made template. So I would just click a pre-made template, because that's the easiest. And let's suppose I am a interior designer, right? So I'll just select this template. And yes, as you can see, here is the entire UI that you get. From here you can obviously look at, you can start editing the heading text like this text, upload images, upload the paragraphs, like change the content on the website, check your website on mobile. Not just that, check the social media links and update your brand logo, optimize the site for Google. Now this is where it gets interesting. This particular website builder has an entire support for SEO. That is very important because you get to create all these pages, right? And not just that, you get to create everything with the help of AI. You can create your title, you can create your meta description, you can create the URLs. Like obviously you will not create the URL with AI, that's pretty obvious, but yes, in general, you can create everything. You can add your focus keyword, hide this page from search results if you don't want to index a particular page and whatnot. Everything is right here integrated in this beautifully created UI. And not just that, you can create couple of different features for your business, like you can create an appointment tab wherein you can actually use this website as an appointment booking platform, wherein let's suppose if anybody comes to your website and they want to connect with you, then they can connect with you using that appointment feature. And not just that, this is not just limited to creating basic websites but proper stores. You can connect your Google Analytics, you can connect your form submissions, you can have a multi-page website. If you already have a website on WordPress, you can export the content and make it live over here. You can write up blogs as well, right? You can start writing your blogs for your SEO rankings, and there also the UI is pretty amazing. You can do almost every other thing. You can also create proper e-commerce website. So overall, you see, with the help of this Hostinger website builder, AI website builder, you can do so much. And it is not just limited to the website creation. You also get couple of free AI tools in it. You get AI image generator, you get AI writer, you get image page generator, section generator, AI blog generator, product details generator for your e-commerce websites or for your service websites. You get your SEO assistant to help you boost your rankings, come on top of Google, get organic leads, and you also get to create your own logo using Hostinger, logo maker. All these features comes for free. Yes, you don't have to pay for anything. Yes, there are number of credits that you can obviously buy, but you also get free credits as well. You can create it yourself. Also, you can create it using the help of AI, right? And you can purchase credits for how much you get, like 50 credits for $5. That's pretty cheap. For one logo you get only use one credit. That's very nominal pricing, right? You can create couple of logos for a few bucks or few cents for that matter, right? And once you are done, you can always come to the Hostinger dashboard, see what you have made. You can also create websites like link in bio if you're an Instagram creator or a YouTube creator, or if you have something unique out of the mind, you can also do that over here. You can just write it like a prompt that I am a fashion designer, want to create something website, and it will just do it. And I already showed you how you can actually use this AI website builder. It's pretty easy, drag and drop. You get couple of things for free. Hostinger support is pretty much active. If you face any problems, you can always contact the support and they'll help you resolve that problem. So yes guys, that is it for my today's video. I hope you liked the video. You got to know something informative, which was not something that you would have not known earlier before. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave your comment and stay tuned for more such amazing videos on AI, on growing your business. Until then, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video.